Okay, so let's try with the turn left, turn right, turn around. This one is to move forward and turn around, move again. Okay, we already finished assembly this robot car, and now it's time to upload the code to the ESP32 board. First of all, you need a USB cable to connect from the PC to the smart card. So I already have this one, so I'm going to use it. Connect this one to the laptop and the other one to the ESP32. And you can see the camera screen is power on. And now you have to open the ACEBOTT app. If you haven't installed it, please find it on the ACEBOTT official website. So I'll leave a link down in the description so you can find it. Just wait a second, so the app will be opened. So when the app is already opened, we're gonna choose, first of all, we need to connect the ESP32 to this laptop. So we need to choose not connected. So there are several comms here. But if you install this app for the first time, you need to install the serial driver. So make sure that you install it before you move into upload the code. So there are several comms ports here. So I'm going to choose this PC. Go to manage. So we have to wait for a second. Device managers. Define which port we are using for upload the code. And this is COM 7, because if I unblock it, it will disappear. Okay. And now you go to not connected and choose it COM 7. Wait a second. This will connect. Okay, now it's already connected to the ESP32. And you're going to go to the tutorials, the sample programs, and there are two versions of the ESP32. I'm using the V2, so I'm going to choose the V2 version. And this is the QD003. And I'm going to choose the app control, which is you control this smart card via smartphone. And go OK. And just check the code and upload to the ESP32. So you're gonna press to the upload here. You can see on the screen. Upload. So when you press upload, it will take some time to send the code to the control bar. So we have to wait for a second. When it's finished, we are able to control the smart card via our smartphone. Just wait a second. Upload progress until it's reached 100%. You can see this one being disable, so disconnect the USB and power on the smart phone. Now we connect it to my smartphone. Okay, so let's power on this smart card and open the ACEBOTT control app. You have to connect to the ESP32 Wi-Fi, and this is already connected. And let's choose the smart card here. The control, and you have to press the connect button here, so that this car has already connected to the smartphone. So let's check it. And first of all, we will check the LED here. So I'll choose the AI, change the RGB and the LED will be change the color according to the RGB value. So you can change to any colors you want, like this, just changing the value of the RGB. So you can see the color is now changed. Okay. With this model, we have several options here, from the QR code recognition, barcode, digit recognition, color, image, color tracking, live following, traffic sign, machine learning, and also face recognition. So I will try to test all of them to see if this car has ability to detect this function. So let's go. So first we will come to the QR code, and the screen is show the QR code recognition. I will show the QR code in front of camera. This can detect. Let's show another one. How about this one? I think this one is not QR code, so we can recognize it. So let's move to another one. And this is the barcode. So let's move to the barcode. And the barcode here. Oh, this can detect. Pretty awesome. So we are continuing with the digit recognition, number recognition. I already have 3 cars here. 1, 2, 3. So we will check it. Start with the 1. How about this one? 1. It's shown on the screen. This is 1. Let me show you the screen. Check it again. This is 1, 2. No, it's 2. 2. 2. Okay, this is the 3, and we try to again. Not very stable. Okay, pretty good. Okay, let's move to the color recognition. We have blue, green, and red color here. So let's check it. Start first with the screen. Green. Where show? No, we have to change to the color. Green here. This depends on the light. I'm not sure. Maybe the light too bright. Try the 1. Blue. Blue. If you have to put it near the camera. It depends on the light, reflect to the sensor. This one is red. Okay, awesome. Okay, continue with the car image recognition. Let's try it. Motorcycle. Women. Let's see. It's bike. No, that's women. This one is children. It depends on the light. This is the cat. Very easy to detect. And this is the bike. And also the last one is the bottle. Okay. Got it. Okay, so let's try with the tunnel out. turn left, turn right, turn around. This one, just swivel forward and turn around and move again. Okay, so let's test with the live following. This wheel trying to locate the line in the middle of the camera. So let's see how it's performed. Okay, so we are just finishing the test process on the smart car kit from the ACEBOTT, and overall, in my opinion, this one is pretty awesome kit for you to understand how the sensor, how the camera capture image and transfer to electrical signal. And there are other functions I haven't tested yet, but if you want, you can purchase this kit and try to change the colors, some value from the code, and then upload to the smart car so you can understand how it works. Okay, in my opinion, this one is pretty suitable for you if you are just a newbie on the electronics or embedded system and you want to learn more about the coding. And this kit also have all the functions, the live following, optical avoidance, the IR sensor, and there are some awesome other functions on this product kit that you can try to code and learn with this car. And if you want to purchase this, I put a link in the description so you can check it. So if you still watching here, consider to subscribe to my channel, because I'm trying to make videos every week to upload on this channel. So this is I'm very appreciated if you like and subscribe to this channel. And I try to make more videos on the embedded system and other things like that. So that's all. Give a thumbs up and subscribe.